Hi, today I'm excited to show you Schumacher's new RedFuel product line. We have a very versatile line of lithium products. I'll start out today with showing you the SL1, which is our newest and lightest weight RedFuel jump starter. This is our newest, lightest weight jump starter that we make. It features a lithium-ion battery, which is why it can be so much more lighter, so much more portable. And at the same time, we've added a scrolling display to it, so it makes it much more easy, much more intuitive to use. It basically scrolls all the messages across the front, showing you exactly what state it's in, what it's doing. And in this case, it's showing you the battery voltage, the battery percent, and tells you which mode it's in. Again, with the scrolling display, it makes it very, very easy to use. If you don't exactly remember what you're doing, it has a quick start guide on the bottom too to help you through the jump starting process. So I'll start out by demonstrating the jump starting capability, and then I'll move on to some of the USB and other functions. So to start with, it's pretty simple. It comes with a set of clamps. There's a connector that's keyed on here. Simply plug it in, and then the unit is ready to connect up to the battery. It's pretty quick on the display to figure out what the status is. So as you hook it up to a battery, the first thing it'll tell you on the screen will be the battery voltage of the internal battery that you're going to jump start. So in this case, it's a charged battery, so it shows that it's 12.9 volts. In the case that your battery is completely dead, it might show you 4, 6, or 8 volts. That way you'll know that, oh, there's something wrong with my battery. I do indeed need to jump start it. At that point, all you need to do is push the jump start button, and the unit is engaged. So what it's doing right now is it's waiting for you to get into the car, and it says ready to jump start. So you get in the car, you turn the key, and it automatically will start supplying power to the vehicle once you hit the key. Until then, the clamps are completely dead, which makes it very safe. So you don't have to worry about connecting it up wrong. It'll put out 400 amps peak, which is plenty to start 4, 6, and 8-cylinder vehicles. And you get up to 10 seconds of jump starting. So even if it's a hard to start car, it gives you plenty of time to do it. Once you successfully start, you don't have to rush out and try to disconnect the clamps quickly. What it will do for you is it'll actually count down and disconnect itself. So you get about 60 seconds between jump starts, and you can do 6 to 8 jump starts with just one charged SL1 jump starter. And again, when you're connecting it up, it's got a handy light on here too. So if you can't see what you're doing at night and it's dark, it's pretty easy because the controls read this way as well too. So you can use the light to position the clamps. It also has a warning light, so if you want to set that out, if you've got a flat tire or something, it works for that too, to warn other people that there's something going on around your vehicle. So once you're done jump starting, again, what you need to do is recharge the unit. So you can disconnect the clamps from it. Recharging it, again, is pretty easy. There's 2 options. One, you can do it from the 12-volt cigarette lighter socket. You just plug that into your vehicle, plug it into the SL1. Again, it's a totally automatic charger, so it'll charge up. When it's done charging, it'll shut off. No need to worry about overcharging the SL1. The other option, if you've got it at home, is you can plug it into the AC outlet and let it charge. Again, you can let it charge and leave it charged permanently, always having the battery ready to go when you need it. The other function that it does too, associated with this, is it also has a USB port on the top. So it gives you a full 2 amp USB output, which is enough to charge any tablet, phone, any other 5-volt USB accessory. You simply hit the USB button, it'll tell you the USB is on, and it'll also tell you the battery percent. It also comes with an accessory cord that goes from the USB to the micro USB. The micro USB is used in a lot of tablets, a lot of the Android cell phones. So it's simply connect it up, plug it in, and it'll start charging your device. Now when the device is done, the unit itself will shut off, so you don't have to worry about turning it off. It'll automatically power itself down, so it won't discharge the internal battery. There's enough power in here to fully charge this tablet easily in one shot. If you wanted to use it as more of a, say, a backup charging station as well, you can plug the AC power in at the same time, and that'll pretty much give you an endless supply of USB power than if you plug this into the 110-volt outlet. If you don't have a micro USB on your product, you have an Apple type connector, simply use the Apple cord, plug it into the USB, same thing, and it'll start charging. One of the other features is we give you a 12-volt socket. So if you've got a, say an air mattress you want to inflate, any product that runs off of 12 volts, maybe you've got a cell phone charger, anything you want to use that runs up to 6 amps, you can use it through here. Basically the same process as you're doing with the USB. You simply hit the USB 12-volt button again. It'll tell you the 12 volt is on, and it'll tell you the battery percent of the internal battery as well. A lot of people use these for memory saving on your vehicle. So you can plug an optional memory saver device into here and into your vehicle. So when you change the battery in your car, you don't lose any of your engine settings. You don't have to re-key in the security code in your radio. It's really a nice feature if you're gonna have to change your battery in your car at the same time. So again, very versatile, very lightweight, easy to use, and it really pretty much tells you everything you need to know as you go along. Thank you very much for joining me at the Apex show in Las Vegas. Let me demonstrate some of these products on our new Schumacher RedFuel product line, from the SL1 to the SL3, 4, and 5, and the SL360. If you have any more questions about this product, you can look at our website at redfuelpower.com. It'll give you a lot more information and show you where to buy the product if you want to get one for yourself. Thank you very much.